Okay, so here we are. Let's close this. Let's get back to this. We're connected. I got to this at some point, right? I got it with GPT. Now, obviously, using a for loop is not allowed here, so we have to see how to do it. Uh, let's see what we can do here. How to do this in pytorch, right? So I know we have. I'm not sure how to concatenate them. Mesh grid, yeah. So we use mesh grid, and so we have y_val equals toss.arange. Okay, so we do the same thing, which is that the y_val is equal to all my I values, I do it, and z_val is all my j values, I do it. Right, I get that. Okay, now what I don't get is this. Y is grid comma z grid equals torch.mesh grid. This, so it's t actually, not torch, t. Okay. Right? Stack with the constant value 1 along a new dimension. I don't get this part. I don't get, well, these two, right? So let's look at this. It takes two 1D tensors and gives you two 2D tensors, correct? Creates a grid of all combinations. Suppose I have this, correct? 1, 2, 3 and 10, 20. But I don't get this. Why does it create this? Repeats the y values along those and repeats the z values along the columns. I get that. I see. So you have to take 110, 210, 220, 110, 120. So I see. I see. Right, we want the Cartesian product equals torch.Cartesian product. So we will do something like, but in order, right? Let's see. Import torch. What the hell is this? Okay, let's actually try this first. A t dot tensor. Sorry, we didn't do this. 110, 120, 120, 210, 220. Actually, I'm not looking for. I'm looking for the mesh grid, and I think. Actually, don't want Cartesian, but I want. Yeah, that's kind of what I want, though. This is it, right? d vals equals underscore d underscore vals equals torch dot cat d dot ones No, shit, we'll close it here. Cartesian plot are quite annoying. Dot shape 100,2, correct. Ones equals Cartesian product dot shape colon 0. Sequiz. No. What's the issue here? I have 100, 100, I want to put the ones and then it. Alright, we just didn't do this. I feel very stupid when I see these mistakes. Yeah, no. Just put concat dimension equals 1, okay. Yeah, this works, right? Do you want to check if you're okay, works out. Torch equal same size and elements. Torch dot assert torch dot equal devals comma endpoints. Weird. Well, let's see what's going on here. Oh. The Cartesian product does y and 0 in the input. It's actually being stupid here, because this gives me a correct answer. Hey, wait, we will comment this answer again. Same damn thing, I guess. Just the order is different. It's okay. Alright, we delete numbers, which is devals dot shape 0. Right, so we have this. Okay, so we have this. Okay, it works. Next thing we want to do is triangles. And non-collinear coordinates A, B, and C. 0 less than this, 1 is equal to the whole thing sum. We have this. Now we can drag it around maybe. Oops. No, we can change it here. Okay, U. Okay, fine, got it. Don't use a debugger. Last thing was mesh that thing. Okay, we're just 2 or 3 functions away. That's very nice. Right? Triangle ray intersects. So we'll get this A, B, and C. And I say, we'll just have to literally write it down and then be like, hey, wait a second, it gives us a 0. And next time we gotta do the same thing, which is, the same thing as last time, right? And then we can find the last function and we are done. Okay, very good. Should be done with this today then. What's going on here? Okay, so we're done with this. Let's. This shouldn't be too bad. We get A, B, C, O, D. So then A is a little misnamed here, but yeah, we need we got alpha and beta. Okay, just to make it nice. Alpha x equals beta. What is alpha? It's minus d, right? Alpha equals minus d. We've got to concatenate. Okay, b minus a is equal to b minus a, right? C underscore a equals c minus a. I don't really know it's going to be a proper 3 shaped input. Okay. Underscore d equals minus 1 times d. Then what? Then we get this thing, which is O underscore A equals O minus A. What's the issue? Okay. Right? So alpha is equal to torch dot concatenate underscore D, not torch, T dot concatenate underscore D, comma B underscore A, and then C underscore A. Correct? And then we get to this one, which is beta equals just my O underscore A. print alpha dot shape. What we expect it to be? We expect it to be 3, 3, right? Assert alpha dot shape equals 3, 3. Hopefully you don't blow up. Sorry, equals 3, 3. Ah, God, why do I keep doing this? Yes. You gotta do this. You gotta do dimension equals 1. I don't get it. This is a... Or maybe we gotta do the freaking unsqueeze on all of these, right? Unsqueeze. Unsqueeze. Close. Oh, this is going to return false without question because we haven't written the boolean yet, right? And this is okay. Okay, now what we have to do is we don't need anything. So what we have to do is we have to work it out and then say that, right, psi u comma v equals s comma u comma v s comma u comma v equals, how do you solve it again? I keep forgetting. So here we are. Comma beta dot flatten. Right? What constraints should we check on this? Correct, we find this. Check if u and v are within the bounds of the triangle. How do you check that again? Within the bounds of the triangle. U and v should be greater than 0 and u plus v should be less than equal to 1. Okay, u comma v not try catch. What is it? What is try catch? Try accept. Yeah, accept. Woohoo! We did it. Let's know those prints. These are slowing us down. Do we have any more prints? Yeah, correct. I'll pass. Yay! We did it. This is the harder one, and let's see how we do this. Yay! Last 2 questions. I'm happy we made good progress today to do ray tracing. I need to use a toilet now, so I'll just mute this whole thing and be back in a few minutes. Okay, we're back. Let's get to doing it. Let's see what this is. This is tabbed. Okay. What we gotta do with this, and this sounds dumb, right? But what we gotta do is the same thing we did last time. We said last time we this is my clean, neat GPT thing, right? We don't need to extract anything than this time, but we don't do the inops. Okay. We need to find this again. We have to solve it. We have to find the determinants inside it. If there are any determinants, we have to mask them, solve it, extract the U and V, check for the value of the intersections, mark them as non-intersecting, and reduce the results. And this is the stuff I really don't understand. So let's maybe we can, maybe one thing I'll do, I'll save it and then do something like how far have we gone? All but last two done. Done with all but last two. Oh, we didn't save it. Oops. Done with all but last two. Okay. And now we'll get a new one, and yeah, we can see it happening, right? Now we're done with this. So let's open this again, back in a new tab next door. I'm not gonna want to connect to anything actually. Okay, but what's happening here is that I first gotta expand it, right? First gotta do expand. What expand it, I'm gonna be like, hey, my what do we call it? My alpha. Find all the B's and all the A's. So what are my inputs here? My inputs are rays and my triangle, which have 3 dimensions. And my A, B, and C. Oh no, it's like, oh, a single given triangle. That's much more simpler. So we have, this is a 3. This is n raised by 2 by 3 thing. It's 3-dimensional, right? And it's just a 2-dimensional thing. Okay, this is neat. So what we have to do is we got to realize that, hey, what we're doing is that this is just one very big one then, right? Oh no, we have to do to stack it up. For every matrix we got to stack it up, right? We'll have a n raised by 3. Yeah, this will be n raised by 3, and this will be n raised by n raised by 3 by 3, and this will be n raised by 3. So let's see what we can do here. This will be a n raised by 3, and we are stacking it up, correct? We are correctly stacking it up, and we have to use inops.repeat, I think, to ensure that we get it in the correct number of times. So what I will say now is that I will actually transform triangle. I'll use inops. Triangles new equals inops dot repeat triangles comma, well, it starts off with number of, I thought we had only, oh no, this is the wrong question. Oops, this is the wrong question. Oops. Triangles new equals inops dot repeat triangles, which takes in TP dims to n raise TP dims, and no comma, okay, my bad, and n raise equals raise dot shape 0. Does this return false for a moment? This blows up, right? No. Okay, wait. Let's remove the render actually. This doesn't blow up? I thought it did blow up. Doesn't blow up. Interesting. Triangles. They print. Their shape is, comma. There's dot shape. Print. They triangle shape is triangle dot shape. Print new triangle's shape is, comma. Why is nothing printing? Are we even calling Raytrace triangle anywhere in this? Oh, that's where it's happening. And we are having triangle is not defined. It's triangle new. It's okay. Got it. Torch size 225 by 2. Raised dot shape is. That's odd. Oh, why are we getting it by 2 over here? Don't know why. Okay. 225 by 2 by 3. 3. Correct. Okay, very good. Now that we have that, right, we're just gonna write some asserts here. Yeah, no issues at the moment. Why is this printing? I don't know what is making it print. Then we just have it here, no? We have our A's. So if you look at our thing over here, we have our triangles. Right? Our A is the same in every triangle. Our only thing really different is the O. So for every triangle, we have to find the O minus A. For every ray, we have to find the O minus A. Right? For every ray, find the O minus A. How do we do that? Ah, right. Right, I feel dumb. Okay, very good. We do BA, so in BA here in this case now is triangles new, colon, and what is the B? B is the second one, right, colon, minus triangles new, colon, 0, colon, 0, colon, right? And what should the shape be then? The shape should be the 225. Shape should be what? It should be 225 by 3, right? Because we'll have print Where is this coming from? I don't know. I'm not printing anything. Commented out prints, right? We're using the make this today here. That's why it's been coming from. We're using A equals B equals stack. Make race 2D. Let's open this. This is the only one we're running, right? There's no prints inside this either. Okay. Okay, B dot shape is 2 to 5.3. Very good, right? And logically we should expect CA to be the same. Two. Very good. Colon D to be what? Minus 1 times D, right? What the hell is D now? What was D in this? D was the first element of those, correct? D was the first element of our ray. So D equals rays colon every single one. Those ray points, we want the first one and every single one of these. The underscore D, right? Same as this. Okay. OA. Is equal to, what is my O? What is my O? O is rays colon 0 colon, right? And my A is rays colon is triangles new colon 0. Broadcasting issues, none so far. Very good. Right, and we have what we need. Then we need to do this, my minus D, correct? So then I need to do minus D. So what is my A here? It is minus D BA CA, right? Minus D, my alpha equals torch dot concat T dot concat underscore D comma BA comma CA dimension equals 1. Print alpha is alpha dot shape 2 to 5 by 9. No, that is an issue. We want it to be 2 to 5 by 3 by 3. Dim equals 2 then, but is that possible? We can error. Dim equals 0. No, we want it to be, well, let's try this. Print BA shape. At BA is this. Print CA is CA dot shape, and it should also be 3 by 2 to 5 by 3, I hope. Yes. And then the last one is underscore D is underscore d dot shape. I want this to be 2 to 5 by 3 by 3. Oh. Stack. I see. This is what they want us to do. Yay, we have it, right? Beta should be two to 5 by 3. So what I want to do is I want to say for every of those 2 to 5 layers, give me this 3 by 3 equals that 3. So there's 3 by 3 here. I mean, you guys can see because the video isn't on. But you have a 2 to 5. You have a 2 to 5 by 3 by 3 equals times some value equals a 3. Right? 3 by 3 times 3 by 1. Same thing, same thing. Okay, I see what it's doing. Oh, that's it. Right, we already have it here. The beta value is the OA. So we already have it here. We could just say, hey, beta equals O underscore A. And then now the issue is, for every of those 3x3 inside alpha, I need to check if the determinant is 0. Yeah, that looks right to me right now. And we haven't done determinants here. Just do t, and 1 e minus 6, I guess. And if it is 0 in the output, it must be marked false. The issue is that if the determinant is 0, torch gives me what does it give me? Gives me a runtime. You do this, you stack it, compute determinants, all false, any. I'm just going to step 5 is check if determinant is 0. Correct. Set those to 0. Valid mask is those which are not 0. If valid mask at any, valid alpha equals alpha valid mask. Oh, okay. Ah, I see. This is neat. Very, very neat. What the hell is R? I don't have any R. Oh, R.blue. Blue. Oh, neat. No, it's not showing. It's wrong. Let's see the solution to this. I think there's an issue over here. And the distance to the closest intersecting triangle. Mesh rendering. I don't want to do this. We have some bug in this, right? There's some bug in this because we know that well these things render correctly. The triangle also renders correctly, but the issue is that this thing is supposed to give me like some sort of nice thing where it's intersected by the rays, but it's not working. So let's I want to see the solutions. We want to see what they have done because the yeah, I don't want to go to 0 points. Okay, solutions. We got triangle's last part. Yeah, this was supposed to come, right? What they have done is they've done nr equals a number of times. They have repeated a triangle. We have done the repeating a little differently, right? We've done the repeating, saying we want to repeat the triangle n times, and they have repeated each of these n times, like horizontally. Then they unbundle it. Okay, got it. Got it. No, I get it. I see. What to do for Raytracing? Because my brain's kind of dead right now. They do it. Can I just find the... So you find it, you... How much I repeat triangles, okay. don't get is this actually. They split into A, B, and C. I see. So we should also do that. Okay. Got it. Okay, I'm calling an end to my meshing. I get how this works. I am, but very tired, of course. And I'm kind of excited to do all the CNNs and REST-nets and so on instead. So I think I'll call an end to this and see you next time to do CNNs and REST-nets.